Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into Zoho account. Zoho is a cloud-based platform that offers many tools such as email, CRM, document editing, and project management. After creating your Zoho account, you can log in anytime to access your apps and manage your work online. First, open any of the web browser on your computer such as Chrome, Edge, or the Safari. In the address bar in the top, what you can do is type down zoho.com and press enter. And once the website loads, look at the top right corner of the page over here that says sign in. Click onto this, and on this login page here, type the email address you used when you're creating to your Zoho account. Select to this next here. But if you want to sign in using Apple, Google, Yahoo, Facebook, you can select to this as well. Because I'm going to select to this email and select next here and enter your password as well. And after you're done, select to this sign in. You will receive a verification code in your Gmail. What you can do is in this plus icon, go to this gmail.com and enter it. Over here you find to this Zoho team here. You need to select to this Zoho team and simply copy this code here and go back to your Zoho account and simply paste it over here and select to this verify. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.